guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. We are finally in that time of the year where it's sales and it's Black Friday, which clearly means Nykaa Hot Pink sale or the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. And I think it's been over 3-4 years I've been doing these recommendation videos and you guys love it. So here it is. I have quite a lot of products for recommendation here. In fact, this huge basket is filled with a lot of product recommendations. I also have a beauty haul coming up and I already shopped on Nykaa during the sale. Although I didn't shop quite a lot, I just shopped few of the essentials because I had purchased last month. So yeah, those hauls will also be coming up soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Quickly, I have all of them here as well as I've written them down and I'm going to go one by one. I'm going in no particular order. I'm starting off with the luxe section. I personally am a person who always prefers buying a little expensive products during the sale period of time because A, you get good discounts, good freebies. It's just my way because on your everyday brands, there's some or the other sale happening every month. So focus on these premium brands during the sale season. So let's start off with fragrances. And for fragrances, I have two recommendations right now. The first one is Prada Candy. You can clearly see how much I finished it. It was a huge bottle, by the way, to finish it up, but it's halfway done. It's a very sweet, mature scent. It's not really too girly, sweet scent like your vanilla types. So this currently is at 15% off and you can get 10% additional off as well on this brand. So you can get it for 25% off. I have the 80 ml one, which is for 7,300 rupees. Really nice fragrance. If you're someone in particular like me who loves gourmand, sweet, vanilla, candy-like scents, this is the one you can go for, but it's a more mature scent and you can see by the usage how much I love it. It's a classic cult favorite scent, so this is my first recommendation. My second fragrance recommendation is the Lancome La Vie Est Belle. This, when it was launched, I had purchased and currently it is at 20% off. I have the full size 100 ml one, which is for 10,500. Right now you can get it at 20% off. On top of that, you can get even more of 10% extra, so you can get it at 30% off. As well as Lancome has a free complimentary 10 ml Idol offer, so you can club and get a great deal. This is one of the most mature orange blossom long-lasting scent recommended by everyone, and whenever I wear this, I smell the same even the next day. It's a beautiful fragrance. You need very little of it. And Lancome is, to be honest, doing a great job. It can be a little pricey for, 10,000 rupees, but it is worth it. You can clearly see how much I still have it left. Compare it to my Prada Candy. I mean, seriously, I use this more, but you can see the quantity difference. Now I'm going to go brand wise. So I have all the brands listed out here, which I want to talk about. And first on my list is Sol de Janeiro. I love Sol de Janeiro, by the way. Their collection, everything is beautiful. They are quite a lot on the price game, but I have two recommendations that I would like to give you. First is the Sol de Janeiro Cheriosa 59. This I recently got. I think I got it 6 months back. This is so good. I love this. This is a mini version that I got in a set, but you can absolutely blindly buy the full size version. So currently Sol de Janeiro is having 20% off on these fragrances. On some of their items, you can also get 2 freebies. So this is first recommendation. The other thing that I would recommend from Sol de Janeiro is their deo sticks. These are outrageously expensive, I know. 1,600 rupees for a deodorant stick can sound a little daunting. Currently they are at 20% off, so you can get it for 1,200 rupees. I have tried all of their variants. I want to get the light pink one. I love both of them. This one is a very light floral based deodorant and this one is one of my favorite, like your cocoa butter sort of a scent. And by the way, this is my 6th deodorant. I know they are a bit pricey, but they're absolutely worth it. I freaking love these. They do not darken my underarms. For some of the skin tones, they might leave a white cast in your underarm, but eventually it goes away. For me, it doesn't. I love these. These are like so good. These are holy grail expensive worthy products. Next brand is Clinique. I love Clinique products. I haven't really tried that many things from Clinique except few of their, cult favorite products. And of course, I have to talk about the Clinique Moisture Surge. I cannot go without this moisturizer. I recently bought 2 of this. I bought in a pack of 2. So this is the Clinique Moisture Surge. Currently, they are having, I'll just tell you the exact offer that they are running. I will have to check that. So currently Clinique is running buy two get one free offer, and they also have flat 25% off on their pack of two. This Moisture Surge, I already have a backup of this. No matter how many different moisturizers I try, or even expensive moisturizers, I have to go back to this one. This is again quite expensive for the quantity that you're paying, and even the kind of product. A lot of people say it's very easy to dupe or find, but if you're someone who uses it properly and compares it, you would know you cannot find a dupe of this product. It's a beautiful moisturizer, and I would anytime buy this. I know it's slightly expensive, but worth it. I would suggest wait for another offer on Clinique. Usually on the 3rd or 4th day of Black Friday, they have better offers on Clinique instead of their regular buy two get one. So wait for that. After Clinique, we have Charlotte Tilbury, and currently Charlotte Tilbury is having 25% off. So they have flat 25% off, and also they have additional 5% off. So the offer that they're having is 5% off plus additional 5% off for Prime members. So total you will be getting 35% off on Charlotte Tilbury. I love Charlotte Tilbury. It's one of my favorite makeup brands. I know sometimes it can get a little expensive, but few of the things are just something that you cannot replace. I have top 3 recommendations which I absolutely swear by because I have used them so much. On number 1, I have their Airbrush Flawless Finish Compact or Setting Powder. This is, I know, slightly expensive. I mean slightly, it's crazily expensive. It's for 5,800 rupees, but you can currently get it at 35% off. Get your hands on this one. Right now you can get it at 3,500, and plus if you buy above 5,000 rupees you'll get more 10% off, so you can get everything at 35% off. You can see I've hit the pan. I love this. I also have the brightening powder. This is one of the best. This is something that I would recommend. If you have the budget, get this. It's not going to disappoint you, and this is like a full size one, and I'm in the shade number 1 Fair. So this is the first product. The second two are again my holy grail. First of all, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This again is at flat 25% off right now. I mean, I love this. You can never ever go wrong with this. A lot of people have tried duping it. I know there's Emco Beauty. I really want to try that out, but it's not available here in India. But this is one of my favorite. Again, this is for 5,500 rupees, but it's a one-time purchase, will last you for good 2 years, so why not? And lastly, the most important part, the most game-changing product that I've ever found, and of course it's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This thing works like flawlessly. It sets your face. It ensures that your face looks fresh, vibrant throughout the day. I have traveled like for hours and hours, and this thing has saved me. This is my 3rd bottle, by the way, guys. Can you see? And this is a smaller one. This is 34 ml one. You get the huge one also, which is for like 5,000. This is for 2,000. You can pick it up. I love it. It's just the best setting spray in the market. The next brand that we've got is Laneige, and Laneige is currently having 15% off, plus you get a free mini on 799. And if you're a Prime member, you get 10% off more on Laneige. So that's a great offer. I feel after trying most of the products from Laneige, I will always pick up blindly their lip mask. I mean, I've had very bad lip days in this year, and the only product that helped me out was this lip mask. In fact, I emptied this one out, which is their 20-gram tub. It took me, by the way, 1 year to empty this one out. Yes, it took me 1 year because I wouldn't use it in the daytime. I would only use it in the nighttime. It's a beautiful product. I love it. It's so good. It is something that will be with you for a really long time. Ideally, if you only have this product in your vanity, it'll last you for 6 months. But I had other lip balms to try out as well, so it lasted me 1 year. It's one of the best lip masks that you can get in the market. And if you want to buy anything from Laneige, buy this. The next brand that I have is Too Faced, which again has buy two get one offer. I personally love their Melted Matte Lipstick, which is something that I'm wearing right now. It's in the variant, it's in the shade Social Fatigue. I don't know why these lipsticks are out of stock right now. They might come in stock. Smells great. It's such a nice product. I've been wearing it for a really long time. I have this with me since last 2 years, and it works beautifully, guys. Like, it's so good. It's not at all dried up. The quality, everything is good. So if you want a really nice expensive liquid lipstick, get this one. Next is COSRX, and I think this deal on COSRX is amazing. I have already placed an order. They currently have this deal that they give you a free gift worth 2,000 rupees on shopping of 1,899. That's 1,900 rupees. And I was curious what free gift are they giving, and it just blew my mind. Guys, they are giving their peptide serum as free. So I got the COSRX low pH morning cleanser as well as their ultralight invisible sunscreen. Both of these are amazing products from COSRX. They are equally expensive as well, but I got them at 20% off, and on top of that I got the entire 150 ml peptide serum free. I've been loving peptides on my skin. They do not react. They are the best, actives for now on my skin. And this peptide serum is going to last me for good 3 months because it's 150 ml. And I got it for free. It's a crazy deal. So you guys should definitely purchase from COSRX. What that I bought is the Tear foundation. This again is going viral. I was continuously checking if I could, find my matching shade. All of their medium to fair shades were out of stock immediately. As soon as I saw, I checked it on Tira, I checked it everywhere, but I finally got it on Nykaa, and I got it at a great offer because I think I had a prime discount of like prepaid, etc. So I paid only like 1800 rupees for that because it's worth 2050. I picked up the shade 21 warm because that was the only available one. I am thinking I'm in the shade 22 warm or 21 warm. Let's see. It's a bit more yellow, but I do have yellow undertones in my skin, so hopefully it matches me. But if you guys can pick up the Tear foundation, please pick it up. Then we've got Dot & Key. So I'm now moving ahead to some generic brands. So for Dot & Key, one thing I would recommend is their Barrier Repair Ceramide range. From their moisturizer to their serum, this is a beautiful range. It's affordable. If I have to say the offer that Dot & Key is currently running, they have flat 25% off. Plus you get the Barrier Repair Face Wash free and the Niacinamide C-Cup serum free as well on certain amount. So this is one thing that I would recommend. A lot of times people do call it a dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge. I won't say it's a clear dupe, but it's pretty good. Sometimes as my daytime moisturizer, I do use this. Next brand is Maybelline, and currently Maybelline is having amazing offers. Like the mascara that I'm going to recommend is at 40% off, and plus they have a NYX setting spray free on $6.99 and additional 5% off on Maybelline, so that's great. These are the two recommendations from Maybelline. First of all, I have to recommend the Sky High mascara. This is my all-time favorite. I cannot go wrong with this. This is something that's going to be with me always. I have tried very expensive mascaras, but nothing beats this one. And the other recommendation is the Maybelline Superstay Up to 30-Hour Matte Foundation. This is a very beautiful foundation. I used to love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, then I recently tried this. I think it's been around 3-4 months and I love it. This is the foundation that I'm wearing right now. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm in the shade 125 Warm Nude. So yeah, this is a very beautiful foundation. It's slightly darker on my skin, like very little dark, but I love it. Next we have Plum, and for Plum I have two recommendations. I personally do not incline towards Plum skincare that much. It hasn't really worked on my skin as much. But one thing that has worked are these perfumes. These are must-have perfumes from Plum. In fact, I recently got gifted these two perfumes. So first I have is the Vanilla Caramello fabulous scent, and the recent launch is their Moonkiss Drama. This is again a very, very good scent. I really like both of these. This is slightly stronger. This is a very milder scent. So whichever you like. And currently Plum is having amazing offer by the way, guys. They are having flat 25% off on these perfumes. Plus you get a full-size serum and a 3-set essential skincare kit. So that is a great offer. You can pick it up. But these two perfumes are my recommendation. Next brand is L'Oreal. Again, L'Oreal has like a free hair mask free on 999. One thing that I would recommend from L'Oreal is their under eye serum, the L'Oreal hyaluronic acid under eye serum, as well as the glycolic acid under eye serum. These are my favorite under eye serums and they do work. Use them, like finish one bottle and you'll see the difference. I really love them and they are slightly expensive. They keep on increasing their prices, but they're worth it. So get your hands on this and they last pretty good. And is Dove, and Dove currently has 25 to 40% off. First of all, I would recommend the Dove body wash. This is their relaxing sheer butter and vanilla one. I recently got the huge one because winters have started and it's great. It's calming. It does the job. Secondly, this is my recent purchase from Dove. This is at 25% off. This is the Dove exfoliating body polish with brown sugar and coconut butter. This is So good. It smells pretty decent. It's not really highly strong smelling because it's brown sugar and coconut butter, but this body scrub is to must have. It really works well, and I've been only using the Dove scrub since then. I also like the mango butter one, but this one is really good, so you can get your hands on the Dove one. They recently launched their scalp serum as well as their new body washes, so I might try that one, but if you're on a budget, get these. Let's come to M Caffeine. Now, M Caffeine, again, a lot of people do not really incline, but there are certain products from M Caffeine that are really good. Right now, you can find it at 25% off with a lot of freebies and additional 5% off. I personally would suggest you guys to try out the M Caffeine Vanilla Dream Body Lotion and Body Butter. Now, I'm going to say it doesn't smell like vanilla. In fact, it smells like a vanilla bean. Like, you know, you've just kind of removed vanilla from a bean and the scent you get. It's so good. It's highly moisturizing and lightweight. I would highly recommend you guys to try out their vanilla variants. It's beautiful. The next brand we have is Aqualogica. Aqualogica has 20% off right now, and plus you get 2 minis free on a purchase of $4.99. I would suggest from Aqualogica, try out their barrier range. I've been using this face wash since last 1 month, and this sunscreen as well. Beautiful. I think they nailed it with their barrier range. If I have to compare with Dot & Key, I would actually pick up Aqualogica over Dot & Key for the barrier range because they just nailed it. It's such a beautiful range. I love their new candy moisturizers as well. I'll be talking about it in one of my recent hauls, but I would highly recommend you guys to get their barrier range. Next brand is K-Beauty, and K-Beauty is having 20% off. On top of that, you can also get a freebie on $11.99. I have quite a few recommendations. First of all, K-Beauty eyeliner kajals have my heart. I am never going to stop using them, no matter where am I in the world. I'm carrying this with me. The kajal as well as the eyeliner in the darker shade, which is the grunge raisin and dark brown, are my favorite. They are always at great offers, so do get your hands on this one. Then I have blush recommendations and a lipstick recommendation. So for blush, I have both of these. By the way, all of these I got in PR except the eyeliner. I purchased it on my own. I have this K-Beauty blush, creme blush in Sweetheart Pink. Beautiful blush. I'm currently wearing it, very subtle. And the matte blush that they have is this one in the shade Soft Nude. I love this. I am a person who uses this so much, even on the days when I'm not going out, because it's so subtle and natural. It's a powder based blush, and I love this. K-Beauty, I think, is such a beautiful underrated brand. Katrina Kaif has been doing a great job. So yeah, this is like a recommendation that I would give you guys. So these blushes. And the last recommendation is the Viral Hydra Creme Lipstick. Now, Nykaa did send me this lipstick. I wanted the shade Dreamer, but I got the shade Savvy. It's a beautiful hydrating lipstick. It's slightly brownish red color, a little bit too much for my face, but it's super hydrating. I love this beautiful packaging as well. They just nailed it with their Hydra Creme lipstick. And by the way, they are finally at 10% off. They never went on an offer, but finally they did. So a great deal. Now, Nykaa recently launched their Wanderlust range, and I love their Dreaming of Paris collection. From their body mist to the body lotion, I love it. It's so fruity and champagne-y. It's literally a dupe of Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast. So you guys should get your hands on this one. It's very affordable. They also launched a perfume in this, but I would suggest like a body mist. Next brand is Indie Wild, which is at 20% off, and I would suggest their Moonlight Scalp Serum. I really like this. With this, you can also pick up their lip treatment, which by the way, I emptied out this month. So you will see that in my empties video pretty soon. But I love Indie Wild as a brand. They launched a couple of new products this month as well. So let's see, but I would suggest these two. Next is Beauty of Jussauer, which is at 15 to 30% off right now. And on that, you can also get a free mini sunscreen. Of course, I have to recommend the Beauty of Jussauer's sunscreen. This is their Relief Sunrise Plus Probiotics. I've been using this since a really long time. I just have a little bit left. By the way, it lasts you pretty good. I love the sunscreen. Will I buy it again? Not for now, because I've already ordered the COSRX one. But if you're someone who wants a very hydrating, soothing sunscreen, get this one. And Tony Moly, which is again at 40% off, like few of their items. So this is their Ceramide Mochi Toner. Clearly, you can see how much I've finished it. I love it. I am personally a dry skin person, and this is a blessing for my skin. I've been using it consistently for the last 4 months, and this is how much I've emptied it out. It's a huge bottle, super price friendly. You can get it at 900 rupees right now at 40% off. It's a blessing for dry to dry skin people, like very dry skin people. I would suggest you guys to get your hands on this one. Tony Moly is such an underrated Korean skincare brand. I really want to try out more products from it. So yeah. Last brand that I have is Hyphen. I have been loving Kriti Sanon's products, and these are my top 3 current recommendation. Like, I have reviewed her products, you guys can check it out. First of all, I have 2 serums. First I have is my third purchase, which is the Hyphen Yuzu Bright Dark Spot Corrector Serum. ये तो मैंने खोला भी नहीं अभी तक. It's a beautiful serum for dark spots. It actually works. And secondly, something that I've been using currently in my nighttime skincare routine, which is their Peptide Cocktail Power Serum. Very beautiful serum. I'm really not sure how much is it helping me with that Botox effect. I think I'll get to know once I finish it up, but it's a good serum. And of course, the Yuzu one is my favorite. You should get it if you have a lot of dark spot pigmentation issues. Last product that I have to recommend from Hyphen is one of the recent launches. It's called the Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus. This is how the sunscreen comes. It's slightly tinted form. I love this. Guys, I cannot tell you how much I love this sunscreen. It's such a beautiful sunscreen. I love the packaging, the formula, the way it is on my skin. It's beautiful. If you've not tried it out, try it out instantly because you're missing out on a lot. So guys, those were my Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. I'll link all of these products in the description box below, so do check them out. Let me know what you are purchasing this year. I will be coming up with a haul pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.